If you want a knot that's strong, reliable, and works for just about any fishing situation, the Uni Knot is a must-know. Let's get started. All you're going to need is some fishing line, a line cutting tool, a hook, lure, or jig head. In this case, I'll be tying onto a 3/8 ounce Warbaits swim bait head. For the purposes of this video, I'll be using white braid just so you can see the line better. The first step is to take the tag end of your fishing line and thread it through the eye of the jig head. Grab the tag end with the same hand holding the main line and pull a few inches through. It's better to pull more than not enough. With your other hand, pinch down on the eye, holding the line in place while your other hand prepares to make the knot. Take the tag end of your line and fold it over, creating a loop on top of the main line. With your other hand, pinch down where all lines are intersecting and hold this in place. Then you're going to take the tag end of the line and twist it up and through the hole you just created, wrapping around the main line and the bottom of the loop line 5 to 10 times. For monofilament and fluorocarbon, 5 to 7 wraps are usually enough. For braided line, increase to 6 or 10 wraps to prevent slippage. Once you've completed your wraps, you'll grab the lure in one hand and the line in your other hand and pull evenly and slowly. Continue pulling until you see the knot form and start to tighten down, but don't tighten it all the way down just yet. At this point, you can give the main line a pull, which will move the knot toward the eye of the jig. Be sure the knot touches the eye of the lure completely right up against it, and then pull tight to secure the knot. Then trim the tag end using your line cutting tool. Leave a small tag end about 1/8 inch to prevent slippage, especially when using braid. If you cut it too short, the knot could fail under pressure and pull out. And that's how you tie the Uni Knot. If you want to learn more essential fishing tips, check out the next video where I show you how to tie another reliable fishing knot. Thanks for watching.